Now the heat pump has been unloaded of the truck and is almost inside the building. When lifting the heat pump, it's extremely important that you use a lifting beam like they use now. And then as you see over here, you see the straps underneath the frame. See here it goes underneath the frame and then up again on the other side. Now we are ready to mount the machine feet on the heat pump rack. This is recommended to be done before the heat pump is positioned at its final location. Therefore, you mount the machine feet like this. You see you have a washer here and a nut in the bottom. And then also you have this washer here all the way below. To allow the positioning of the roller skates, you here in the first part of the lifting, you place the machine feet all the way up here in the bottom, and then you have enough space to place the roller skate here underneath. After the roller skate has been removed, you need to check that all the machine feet is loaded with the same weight, and that must be checked with a measuring tool. Now the heat pump has reached its final destination, and therefore all the machine feet need to be mounted properly. Here they want a distance from the bottom of the frame to the concrete floor on 10 centimeters, and that is the distance now. So therefore we can unscrew the nuts and then place the machine feet on the floor. Then afterwards you need to adjust the bottom nut here accordingly, and this is done on all the machine feet. This is a H2600, and for that reason we also have machine feet here in the middle. To access these machine feet, you need to cut a hole so you're able to mount them, and that you do all the way down here. To ensure that the rack stays nice and clean during the installation period, we strongly recommend that you keep the nice plastic from the factory on to access the necessary parts and installation points. You can cut holes like this. This is the liquid connection to the evaporators. And then we have the gas connection up here, also from the evaporators. To be able to connect to this point, you simply cut off that end cap. When the end cap has been cut off, it's very important that you ensure that the pipe is clean. So you simply take a vacuum cleaner and then ensure that the pipe is clean and there are no grind dust or metal parts inside the pipe. And that must be kept clean during the complete installation period. This is the main heat pump panel. Behind here we have the HMI. We have put this protection on it so it's not damaged during installation. It's very important that everyone on site helps to keep these panel doors closed during all installation period. We cannot risk having any metal dust or metal parts inside the panel, because that will risk we having a short circuit accident. The heat pump panel must be lifted from the base frame of the heat pump after it's reached the final destination. The panel is placed on this frame here that is during transport fixed to the base frame of the heat pump. To avoid we are having any vibration inside the panel, the whole panel frame is lifted from the heat pump base frame. That is to ensure we have no vibration inside the panel. These 4 machine feet here, you have 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. These must be lifted. We have one in this corner, and then we have one inside here as well.